We are often told that it is impossible to regenerate and boost nervous system health, and it only follows a steady path of decline as we grow old. But what if I told you that there are some supplements that can heal your nervous system starting today? What's up, health warriors? It's your pal NutriCure, back at it again. And today, we're on a mission to uncover the superhero vitamins that can breathe new life into your nervous system. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick peek at why our nerves deserve some extra TLC. So, your nervous system is like the master controller of your bod, sending messages left and right to keep everything running smoothly. But let's be real, with our crazy schedules and stressors, it's easy for things to get a little wonky. But don't sweat it. That's where the Vitamin Dream Team swoops in to save the day. These tiny powerhouses are here to support your nerve function and keep you feeling like $1,000,000. First on the agenda, B vitamins, the ultimate energy boost. Stick around as we uncover how this little gem can be your nervous system's new BFF. But hey, no spoilers. You'll have to stick with me to get all the juicy deets. Alright folks, B vitamins are the ultimate squad goals for your nervous system. These bad boys are like the VIP pass to keeping your nerves in tip-top shape. Now, why are B vitamins so crucial, you ask? Well, picture this. They're like the maintenance crew for your nerves, making sure everything runs smoothly. And when it comes to treating neuropathy, they're your best pals in the game. First up, we've got vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, and its superhero counterpart, benfotiamine. These gems are all about reducing pain, taming inflammation, and protecting your precious nerve cells from harm. But we can't forget about vitamin B6 and B12, the dynamic duo of nerve health. B12 deficiency? Say goodbye to permanent nerve damage, my friends. Now, a word of caution. When it comes to B6, moderation is key. While it helps maintain those nerve endings, too much of a good thing can actually backfire and cause nerve damage. So let's stick to the recommended dose, shall we? But hey, who says you have to rely solely on supplements? Load up your plate with B vitamin-rich foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and veggies to give your nerves the nourishment they crave. And here's the scoop from the research world. Studies suggest that B vitamin supplementation could be the golden ticket to nerve repair. Yep, you heard that right. These babies can speed up nerve tissue regeneration and even dial down the pain and inflammation. Now, next up on the B team is benfotiamine, the rising star in neuropathy treatment. While some studies show promising results in easing diabetic neuropathy, others are still on the fence. Looks like more research is needed to unlock its full potential. So there you have it, folks. B vitamins are the real MVPs when it comes to nurturing your nervous system. Whether you're popping supplements or loading up on those vitamin-packed meals, your nerves will thank you for that. Don't click away because we've got more nerve-nourishing goodness coming your way. Next superhero in our lineup, Acetyl-L-carnitine. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is acetyl-L-carnitine? Well, it's not just your average amino acid. It's also a powerful antioxidant. This mighty compound is known to ramp up your energy levels, nurture healthy nerve cells, and even dial down the pain for those grappling with neuropathy. Talk about a multitasker, right? So, how do you get your hands on this nerve-nourishing goodness? Easy. You can snag it in supplement form. A typical dosage clocks in at 500 milligrams twice a day. But hey, don't forget about the culinary route. You can also find acetyl-L-carnitine in tasty treats like meat, fish, poultry, and dairy products. Now, let's talk results. According to a study back in 2016, acetyl-L-carnitine was a total game changer for folks battling chemotherapy-induced peripheral sensory neuropathy and cancer-associated fatigue. Participants either took a placebo or a hefty 3 grams per day of acetyl-L-carnitine for 8 weeks. And guess what? By the 12-week mark, researchers spotted some significant differences between the groups. Looks like this powerhouse could be the missing puzzle piece for those tough neuropathic challenges. So, what's the bottom line? Acetyl-L-carnitine isn't just any old amino acid. It's very beneficial when it comes to reviving tired nerves and giving you that extra boost you need. Have you ever heard of NAC? It's like the secret weapon in the world of antioxidants and amino acids. This mighty compound isn't just sitting on the sidelines. It's actively combating neuropathic pain and inflammation, making it a real game changer. Now, here's the catch. You won't find NAC hanging out in your everyday foods, but its sidekick, cysteine, is often found in high-protein eats. But fret not, you can still get your dose of NAC by opting for supplements, typically taken at around 1,200 milligrams once or twice a day. A fascinating animal study from 2010 gave us some promising insights. It turns out that NAC might hold the key to treating diabetic neuropathy. Not only did it alleviate neuropathic pain, but it also showed prowess in enhancing motor coordination. And the cherry on top, top, its antioxidant properties swooped in to repair nerve damage caused by oxidative stress and cell death. So, what's the takeaway? N-acetylcysteine isn't your average supplement. It's a formidable ally in the battle against nerve woes, offering relief and restoration. Let's uncover the next player, vitamin D. So, what's the deal with vitamin D? Well, it's a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in helping your digestive system absorb and regulate calcium and phosphorus. While most of us associate vitamin D with soaking up sunlight, it's also hanging out in fatty fish and egg yolks. Contrary to the popular belief and what those annoying little ads tell us, vitamin D is not just about building strong bones and keeping your blood pressure in check. Although it does a stellar job at that, vitamin D could also be a game changer for those grappling with nerve health issues. Talk about a multitasking marvel. So, how much vitamin D do you actually need? For most adults, the magic number is around 600 IU daily, and if you're over the age of 70, consider giving your intake a little boost to 800 IU. Trust me, your nerves will thank you for the little extra love. By nurturing your nerves with vitamin D, you're not just investing in your health today, you're setting the stage for a long, vibrant life ahead. So go ahead and soak up that sunshine. Safely, of course, or treat yourself to a delicious serving of fatty fish. Your nerves will be singing with joy like live electric wires. Our final pick, antioxidants. Think of them as the cleaners for those pesky free radicals with gusto. From beta-carotene to vitamin C, these powerful compounds are abundant in brightly colored fruits and veggies, as well as in spices like cloves and your favorite cup of tea. But why should you pay attention to antioxidants? Well, hold on to your hats, because they're not just about boosting your immune system and keeping you looking fresh. Oh no, they've got another trick up their sleeve. They're masters at targeting those nerve-damaging free radicals, minimizing any potential damage along the way. Now, here's the kicker. How do you get your daily dose of antioxidants? Look for a well-rounded formula that packs a punch, including 400 IU of natural vitamin E, 200 mcg of selenium, and a generous serving of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Trust me, your nerves will be eternally grateful. By harnessing the power of antioxidants, you're not just safeguarding your nerve health, you're investing in a future brimming with vitality and resilience. And that's it for today, folks. If you're hungry for more wellness tips, tricks, and all-around good vibes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our community of health enthusiasts. Together, we'll continue to explore the path to optimal well-being.